Hey, have you ever heard of Birsa Munda?
Birsa Munda. No. Who's that?
Oh, you are in for a treat. Birsa Munda was a legendary tribal leader and folk hero in India. Born in the late 19th century, he played a pivotal role in the Indian independence movement.
Really? I thought I knew my history, but this is new. What did he do exactly?
Well, hold on to your curiosity. Birsa led the Munda tribe against British rule and the oppressive practices of landlords. He formed the Munda Rebellion, also known as the Rebellion, to resist exploitation and fight for the rights of the tribal communities.
That's incredible. Why don't we learn about him in school?
Great question. Birsa's story often takes a backseat in mainstream history, but his impact was immense. He not only stood against colonial powers but also championed the cause of tribal rights and cultural preservation.
Cultural preservation. Tell me more.
Absolutely. Birsa was not just a political leader, he was a cultural icon. He sought to revive and protect the traditional ways of his people, resisting the cultural assimilation imposed by the British.
Wow, that's deep. Any other notable contributions?
Indeed, Birsa Munda was a visionary. He dreamt of a Bisanagar, a place free from oppression. His teachings inspired not only his contemporaries but also leaders in the later independence movement.
I can't believe I didn't know about him. Can you also provide some unique aspects about him?
Of course. Did you know that Birsa Munda is often referred to as a god among his people?
Really? A god? That's intriguing. Why is that?
Well, brace yourself for this fascinating twist. Birsa Munda is considered a deity because of the deep impact he left on his community. His leadership during the Munda Rebellion wasn't just political, it had spiritual undertones.
Spiritual undertones. Tell me more.
The Munda tribe, particularly the followers of Birsa, saw him as a divine figure. His teachings and actions were not only about resisting the British but also about a spiritual revival, a connection to their roots, and a quest for a better, more just world.
So, he became a god-like figure due to his spiritual leadership.
Exactly. His role went beyond the political realm. Birsa Munda's emphasis on cultural preservation, social justice, and his vision for a better society elevated him to a revered status among his people.
That's incredible. How did this god-like perception impact the Munda community?
It played a crucial role in uniting the Munda community during a tumultuous time. The belief in Birsa as a god provided not just a rallying point for resistance but also a source of strength and inspiration for the tribals facing adversity.
It's amazing how a historical figure can become a spiritual symbol. Do people still worship him today?
Absolutely. Even today, Birsa Munda is worshipped as the Birsaja or Birsa Bhagwan. His life and teachings continue to inspire not just as a historical figure but as a spiritual guide, embodying the values of justice, equality, and cultural pride.
This adds a whole new layer to his story. Thanks for sharing this unique aspect of Birsa Munda's legacy. What happened to Birsa in the end?
Birsa Munda passed away in British custody under mysterious circumstances. But his legacy lives on as a symbol of resistance, cultural pride, and the relentless pursuit of freedom.
That's a powerful story. Why isn't he more widely recognized?
Well, my friend, that's a part of history we often overlook. But now that you know, let's make sure Birsa Munda gets the recognition he deserves, a true hero in every sense.
Agreed. This is a story worth sharing. Thanks for opening my eyes to Birsa Munda's incredible journey.